Metal washers. Types, uses, and materials used. This video takes an in-depth look at metal washers and their use. You will learn more about topics such as what is a metal washer, how metal washers are made, uses for metal washers, metals used to make metal washers, types of metal washers, and much more. Chapter 1. What is a metal washer? Chapter 2. What are the uses for metal washers? Metal washer uses. Load distribution. Using as a spacer. Sealing. Using for repair. Additional common types and applications. Chapter 3. How metal washers are made. Making metal washers, manufacturing processes and techniques. Metal stamping. Washer dies and tooling. Gauge of metals, washer thickness and performance. Carbon steel gauge chart. Choosing metals for washers, application and selection guide. Frequently asked questions about metal washers. Frequently asked questions. What is the primary function of a metal washer? How are metal washers manufactured? What materials are commonly used for metal washers? What is the difference between flat washers and lock washers? Which washer material is best for harsh or marine environments? Can metal washers be custom manufactured for industrial and local applications? Chapter 4. What are the leading machines for manufacturing metal washers? AIDA DSF series, stamping presses, manufacturer AIDA Engineering. Schuler MSP series, mechanical presses, manufacturer Schuler Group. Haas VF series, vertical machining centers, manufacturer Haas Automation. Inc. Waterbury Ferrell Force slide machines, manufacturer Waterbury Ferrell. EBU Umformtechnik screw machines, manufacturer EBU Umformtechnik GmbH. Chapter 5. What metals are used to make metal washers? Metals used to make metal washers. Stainless steel. Galvanized steel. Aluminum washers. Inconel alloy. Copper washers. Brass alloy. Chapter 6. What are the different types of metal washers? Metal washers types. Spring washer. Types of spring washers. Lock washer. Types of lock washers. Plain washers. Specialty washers. Square washers. Multiple hole. Washer standards. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right metal washer manufacturers for your needs.